Hello everyone, in this video we are going to do chapter 14 exercise 14.6 question number 8 and 9, right. So now we will learn how to copy an angle with the help of straight edge and compass, with the help of ruler and compass only. We are not going to use the protractor. So first of all we will draw an angle of 70 degree. As this is not a multiple of 15 degree, we will simply draw the angle 70 degree with the help of protractor, and then we will draw a copy of this angle with the help of compass and scale only. So let's see, with the help of protractor here I am going to draw an angle of 70 degrees. So here it was the point. So I have drawn an angle of 70 degrees, and now we have to copy this angle. So I am going to copy this angle which I have drawn with the help of protractor here. I am going to copy it here. So to copy the angle, first of all, first step is we have to draw a ray. Then main thing which you need to see here is you have to draw the opening of the angle with the help of compass only. So again I have opened my compass with a small length. So here students, you can open your compass a bit more, okay, so that you can mark a semicircle with some width. So, and the main thing, you are not going to draw this semicircle rough handedly, you have to mark it with the compass only. And one more thing you need to check here, need to take care of, with the same length of the compass you have drawn the first arc here. To copy the angle, you are going to draw the first semicircle with the same length of the compass. It should be same. You should not change it, okay. So just check. I have taken the same radius which was taken here for 70 degree angle. To mark the opening of 70 degree, I have taken the same radius here on the second ray also to construct the copy of angle. Now what we need to do, with the help of compass only, you will open your compass with this width of angle. This is 0 degree and here this is the 70 degree point, right. So be more accurate, pencil should be properly sharpened, compass should be properly tightened, right. So with this compass, with this, just check, you have to open your compass like this, you have to measure this thing. Your pointer of the compass should be here and pencil point should be on the ending point of this semicircle, right. So and then after measuring, this was the starting point of this semicircle, we have to cut an arc like this. With this length, just check again, we have to open our compass with this length. One point should be here and other pointer should be here, and from this point just check, we have put our compass on this point and we have cut an arc. Now to draw the angle, what we need to do, we have to join this point with this initial point. And this way we have constructed the copy of this 70 degree angle which we have drawn with the help of protractor. So let's check with the help of protractor also. This was copy which we have drawn without help of protractor. Just check, we have got the exact 70 degree angle, right. So this is the way to copy an angle with the help of pencil and scale and compass only. So here you can write down that angle AOB is 70 degree and the angle POQ is POQ. So you will write down angle POQ is copy of angle AOB. Now let's do question number 9. Question number 9 says you have to draw an angle of 40 degree and you have to copy its supplementary angle. Just check. As done in the previous question number 8, we need not to copy the same angle, but here we have to copy the supplementary angle of 40 degrees, right? So first of all, let's draw an angle of 40 degree and then we will discuss what is the supplementary angle of 40 degree and how we are going to copy it. So here I am going to draw an angle of 40 degree as this is not a multiple of. So to construct it supplementary angle also, we will take a ray and we will extend this ray on this side also, right? This is the point. So here with the help of protractor only I am going to draw an angle of 40 degrees. So here this is the point of 40 degree. So here angle AOB is, this is the angle AOB 40 degree, but we need not to copy this angle, that's why I have marked it rough handedly, right? Just check. We are not going to copy this angle. Instead of this we have to copy this angle which is on the another side of this. Okay. So this angle will be marked with the help of compass only. We are not going to mark it rough handedly. Opening of this angle will be marked with the help of compass. Now to copy this angle, this angle which is on the either side of the angle 40 degree, this angle is supplementary of 40 degree and we have to copy this angle now. So you can give it name angle AOC. So we can copy this angle on right hand side of the ray also. So now I am going to draw a ray and I am going to change its direction. Let it be somewhere here so that on this side I can draw the angle. So here I am taking the initial point and now as done earlier, copying angle here with the same length of the compass with which we have drawn this semicircle, with the same length of compass I have to cut an arc. Students, please note, I am going to construct it on this side. You can construct it on the left side also, right? As we have done earlier, here also you can construct this angle with, you can copy this angle on the left side of the arc also, no problem at all. So now after this what we need to do, we have to open our compass with the width of this angle. So our pointer should be here and pencil should be here. So we will open our compass very carefully. Just check, I have opened it up. Pointer is at the initial point and here is the, like this. So just check our compass is properly opened now. So now this was the initial point. So we have to cut an arc which will cut this first semicircle, right? So let's cut the arc from here to cut this. So let's now join this with the initial point of the angle. So here the angle POQ, this is the copy of angle AOC. So students, do you know what will be the measure? Can anybody tell me what will be the measure of angle POQ? As this was the total whole straight angle, right? So this was 40 degree. Straight angle is of 180 degree. So obviously this angle should be of 140 degrees. So let's check as well. So you can check here, this angle is of 140 degrees. Now just check how to measure the angle. We have to check this line. 0 is outside. Now you will measure the angle from outside. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 like this. This is 140 degree angles, right? Now let's measure our angle which we have copied from here. So you can check the copy of an angle is exact of 140 degrees. So to draw the copy of this angle, students, you need to be more accurate and you should have patience. If you are not getting the same angle in first attempt, please try it twice, thrice and as many times as you can, right? And here you will write down. So here we can write down the answer like this, that angle AOB, this we have drawn, was of 40 degree, and angle AOC, this one, this angle is of supplementary of angle AOC. So POQ we have drawn, POQ is copy of angle AOC. So thank you and have a nice day.